Well, that's a sound that Trish and I never want to hear again, hopefully after the next 2 weeks. Can you hear? It's absolutely silent in the senior school and we're missing you heaps. Welcome to term 2. I hope you're doing really well with remote learning, that you're zooming in, that you're checking on Edmodo, that you're going into iLearn, that you're doing all of these fabulous things, that you're keeping up with your schoolwork. What you're going to watch now is a fabulous video that the school leadership team has put together to give you tips on how to survive and thrive in this next 2 weeks. And we'll be in contact pretty soon because I think week 3 is going to be looking a bit better. All right, we'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye.
Good morning, senior school.
Hey, senior school.
Hey.
What's up?
Morning.
Hey, y'all.
Hi.
Hey there, senior school.
Hey, senior school.
G'day, senior school.
Good morning. Hey, guys.
So our leadership team has decided to give you guys 12 tips to get you back on your grind and to get you in the right spirit so when we get back to school, we can get the ball rolling. So here they are.
Top tip number 1 for dealing with corona in isolation. Take some time out to look after yourself. That could be something as simple as doing a face mask that you've been meaning to do for a while. And this isn't just for girls, guys can do this as well.
Tip number 2, stay connected to friends through Zoom and FaceTime. Or even go on a socially distanced walk.
Tip number 3 is to spend quality time with family, your pets and your siblings. But if you're an only child, like me, you might just want to stick to pets.
So my top tip, number 4, is waking up early.
You could perhaps take your dog for a nice walk, get out of the house, see the beautiful day that has arisen. You could even do some schoolwork, get productive, and yeah, just enjoy this beautiful day that we're given and not waste it by sleeping in till like 1 p.m.
Tip 5, healthy eating. Make sure you eat healthy and do not have chocolate for breakfast.
My tip for you is to keep exercising. So, number 1, try and go for a walk or a run every day. Number 2, there are some really good fitness apps on the App Store. So one of them is called 30 Day Ab. Give it a go. And number 3, do some plank challenge. And then you're ready to start your day.
Yo, what's up everyone? It's your boy. My tip for you guys today is to stay positive. When the sun is shining, you should shine just as bright too. And remember to continue to do things that make you happy, such as drawing, eating, painting, running, whatever makes you feel good. Keep doing it because these are tough times and you should remain positive so we can see the best of things and hopefully get out of this in good spirits.
Hey there. This is Fletcher's tip for surviving the coronavirus. Getting comfortable with time. When you're stuck at home with the coronavirus, you may realize that your busy schedule is now gone. You can't go to the gym, you can't go swimming, hell, you can't even hang out with friends. So much free time on your hands, you may even start to feel guilty about everything, like, what else can I do? But no! There was no reason to feel such guilt. There isn't? There isn't. This is a time where you can embrace everything you've wanted to do. I want a garden. So whatever you want to do it. Indulge yourself. You deserve it. Make sure that you're getting comfortable with time.
My top tip is to make time for yourself. A spot of tennis, perhaps? A good news series.
It is a better option than a raft.
But his neck could clot off because we won't be able to get blood thinner.
Or just some video games.
My top tip number 10 is to keep up with your schoolwork. That schoolwork's going to keep on coming, so just make sure you get on top of it all, especially if you have Mr. Naked, because you know, he loves his demerits. So keep working hard, guys, and we'll see you soon, I guess. Bye.
My tip is to mentally enjoy quarantine, because when's the next opportunity you get where you stay at home all day and do nothing?
The final and 12th tip on how to survive the coronavirus, it's just a simple tip, and that is just to take the time to thank all the teachers and parents that are going through this time and giving their best effort, and just to thank them for toughing it out just like us.